Hey thyroid thrivers, let's talk about 3 ways you can support your gut health with food. So one of my favorite things to incorporate on a daily basis are fermented foods. Things like lacto-fermented pickles, sauerkraut. This is a chickpea miso that is soy and gluten-free. Now these foods contain live and active cultures and they're typically found in the refrigerated section of the store. So make sure that if you're buying something like pickles or sauerkraut, you're looking for words on the label like contains probiotics, contains live and active cultures, fermented or lacto-fermented. Another way to support your gut health is with prebiotic foods. So these are foods that contain a certain kind of fiber that feeds that beneficial bacteria. So it's kind of like fertilizer for your gut. A few examples are garlic, onions, apples, flaxseed. You can incorporate any of these into your diet to make sure that you're feeding that beneficial bacteria in your gut. And last but not least is bone broth or anything containing collagen. They contain certain amino acids that really help support the gut specifically, like glycine, for example, which can help kind of heal, seal, repair, and maintain a healthy gut, which is something that a lot of us as thyroid thrivers unfortunately struggle with, is maintaining our gut health. I'm Ginny Mahar, a thyroid health and cooking coach. If you want to know more thyroid healthy food and lifestyle tips, you can find me at hypothyroidchef.com. Thanks for watching.